Ground Support Equipment, or GSE, is essential for moving, servicing, and maintaining aircraft on the ground. From pushback tugs and aircraft jacks to cargo loaders, cranes, deicers, and maintenance stands, these systems operate under extreme loads where equipment failure can put aircraft and ground crews at risk. Aerospace provides the force measurement technology needed to monitor these critical operations. Load cells, load pins, tension links, load shackles, torque transducers, and multi-axis sensors measure towing forces, lifting loads, tension, torque, and structural stress with precision. For legacy GSE, interface sensors can add electronic load monitoring without requiring major changes to existing equipment. Ruggedized and fatigue-rated solutions are designed to withstand vibration, impacts, weather, and millions of operational cycles. Combined with interface instrumentation, data acquisition, and wireless telemetry system technology, these measurements give aerospace engineers actionable data to validate equipment performance, monitor wear, and support preventive maintenance. From safely moving multi-ton aircraft to monitoring critical mechanical components, Interface turns extreme ground forces into accurate data, helping keep aircraft, equipment, and ground crews operating safely.